What's up YouTube, it's Ben, and in this video, I wanna tell you 4 ways to recruit and attract top talent for any position. Okay, so we know that once you get a signed contract with your client, that you need to find candidates to actually place there, and that's where you actually make money in recruiting. I've personally found that there are 4 proven strategies to attract top shelf talent all day long. Now, if you aren't using these 4 strategies, you definitely should be once you finish watching this video, and you should also be inside of our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description. All right, so strategy number 1, don't sell. Instead, educate and influence the candidate lead on why they should take this position. All right, so I know there's a few things to unpack here, but the main thing is to not sell. Selling is sleazy. It's easy. Don't do that. Be different. Instead of selling them anything, educate this prospect on exactly what this position and job is all about. Tell them all the good stuff. If you're writing an email to the candidate, or if you are calling the candidate, or if you're posting a job ad, like I said, lead with all of the good stuff first. Tell them things all about the company, like give them context. Maybe they're a fun new startup that has equity or sign-on bonuses or anything like that. Like, lead with that stuff. Mention the pay range as soon as possible. This will grab their attention.
I see.
Bottom line, drop all the good stuff way up top, right? The vacation time, the benefits, the flex remote work time, all of the things that are really good that these people are actually looking for. This is what they want to hear about first. All right, so strategy number 2, create a scenario in which the candidate actually feels needed or wanted. Look, everyone loves to feel needed or wanted in some capacity, and it's no different in business, especially in recruiting. Go ahead and play up the candidate's skills and experience. Play up everything they have on their resume or their LinkedIn, whatever info or intel you have about them. Let them know that that's exactly what the company is looking for, specifically, like they want them. If you can properly play up this necessity factor, you're gonna get emotional buy-in from the prospective lead candidate. Now, when you actually have emotional buy-in from them, not only do you have the opportunity right there in front of them on a platter, but you're painting this picture in their head of what this new role looks like, and you're getting them more and more towards leaning in on actually taking the opportunity. All right, so strategy number 3, play directly to their psychological desires. All right, so people leave jobs for 2 specific reasons: money or culture. This means that basically, if you can convey the opportunity in a way that covers both of these, money and culture, meaning that it would be a benefit for them to move and take this opportunity, you're basically covering both bases. And by doing that, you're absolutely on your way towards a win. Talk directly about the money. Like I mentioned early on, add the salary range right in there, because we already know that's 50% of what this prospect is thinking about when they're looking at this job opportunity. The other 50% of what they're thinking about is the fact that they don't like who they work for or who they work with. This is all considered culture, right? So play up that other 50% by identifying elements of this new opportunity that would paint a really, really good picture in their head. Explain to them in really, really good detail how the company values its employees, like not just corporate BS value, but I mean truly values the employees as human beings. Utilize storytelling to explain how the company was founded, why it was founded, what the mission of the company is, and what the day-to-day of the actual role is for this prospective candidate, right? Tell them this stuff in storytelling detail. People eat this stuff up. All right, so my 4th strategy on how to attract and get the best candidates is to logistically position your offer. All right, so basically what I'm saying here is call the damn leads.
Hello!
If you are reaching out to a prospective candidate on email, give them just enough of the good stuff that they need. Not too much, but not too little, just enough so that they can actually give you a positive reply, and then you can take that somewhere. On the other hand, if you're posting job ads like on Indeed or LinkedIn, give them, again, enough of that golden nugget good detail that they're willing to apply for the role at least. Either way you slice it, the only way you actually take this thing somewhere with a candidate is to get them on the phone and doing it fast. Listen, I know I say this all the time and to never think about any other recruiting competition or anything like that, but consider if this is a really good candidate, they're likely getting hit up by a ton of recruiters. Be different. Be the recruiter that can actually grab their attention. This is exactly why you need to compile all of the first 3 steps and step number 4 here by calling the damn leads super fast, getting them on the phone so that you can seal the deal. Emailing back and forth is like having a pen pal. Like, it will never become real unless you can actually get them on the phone. On Zoom, something digital like that where you can actually take the conversation deeper, further, and actually move them into an interview. All right, guys, I hope this video is valuable for you. If it was, please smash that like button. Also, be sure you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description of this video, and I will see you next time.